All right, picture this. You wake up, check your phone, and boom, you've just made money while you were sleeping. No, this isn't some shady get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legit AI-powered business that can generate passive income. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start your own AI agency, offering copywriting services to achieve financial freedom. The future of AI copywriting agencies. AI writing tools are evolving rapidly. Businesses will always need content, and AI makes it easier than ever to provide high-quality copywriting services at scale. If you start now, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. What is an AI copywriting agency? But what exactly is an AI copywriting agency? Simply, it's a business that leverages AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Jasper, Canva, and Copy.ai to create high-quality written content for clients. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a professional writer. AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. Now, let's talk about the money-making part. Here are some high-demand AI copywriting services you can offer right now. Blog and article writing. Use AI to generate SEO-optimized blog posts for businesses. Ad copy and sales pages. AI tools can craft persuasive copy for Facebook ads, Google ads, and landing pages. Email marketing campaigns. Help businesses automate email sequences that convert leads into customers. Website copywriting AI can generate compelling homepage, about us, and service page content. How to start your AI copywriting agency, step by step. Pick a niche. Focus on a specific industry like e-commerce, SaaS, real estate, beauty industry, or personal brands. Learn and test AI tools. Try free versions of ChatGPT, Grammarly, Jasper, and Copy.ai to understand their strengths. Set up your online presence. Create a simple portfolio website and showcase AI-generated samples. Get clients. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and cold outreach via LinkedIn and email. How much can you earn? All right, let's talk numbers. AI copywriting agencies can be insanely profitable. Here's an example. Blog writing. $50 to $200 per article ad copywriting, $100 to $500 per campaign email sequences, $300 to $1,000 per project. Website copy, $500 to $2,000 per client. Some agency owners are pulling in $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 per month. And once you get a system running, it becomes semi-passive income. Would you start an AI copywriting agency? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.